Brother Wolf Productions presents Poetry in the Nature of Things, Songs from the Great Wilderness, read by Bruce McLellan. The Juniper Patch. Underneath the junipers in the juniper patch, we'd crawl, bellies to the ground, head down low in juniper caves. We were explorers with Cousteau under the coral reefs off the coast of Australia. Underneath the junipers in the juniper patch, we'd crawl, where we were safe and hidden like forest animals with wild, almond-shaped eyes, viewing the world between branches, safely hidden, grinning our triumphant joy to each other. Out in the field, under a blue dome sky, we'd pick a lunch of strawberries, blue and black berries, staining our fingers and faces in rich colors. We were the wild children, raised by wolves, a pack of howling wolf people, living off the land just for the fun of it. Above, in the pine trees, we'd caw in crow conversation, listening for the call and response of blackbirds with shiny eyes. Then down we'd climb, hands spackled with pitch and bark, to sleep in our soft-scented pine needle bed, to dream of fireflies on a warm and humid summer's night. We'd catch enough for our own lantern and let them go when we'd had our fun. Sleeping under the vast Milky Way blanket, we'd awaken after midnight, and down it'd shoot stars, like a fingernail scraping a Jack Frost window, a moment of eternity and awe. And we'd dream of Christmas and family gatherings, to share a meal and some gifts and the cool, sparkling snow under silent skies. And snowdrifts just below power lines, and the tracks of a lone deer making its way over the snow-covered cow pasture, and the mornings below zero, when the chickadees chirp happily eating sunflower seeds, apparently impervious to the freeze. On the long winter nights, we'd think of summer and the warmth of the July nights, and remember that underneath the junipers in the juniper patch, we'd pretend we'd always been there and ever would be.